Palakpakan naman natin sila. Thank you. Ano ba sasabi mo, Baby Sidra? Teens. Ating mga teens. Let's go, teens.
Kendra.
Dahil wala tayong mga teens, doon tayo sa mga teens.
What are we gonna do?
Just play again.
Teens. Ayaw. Ayun. Ikaw ang pinakabata, sir.
Hindi pa mukhang teens.
Gusto mo yun? Thank you, sir. At dahil dyan, so, we will just play. Alright, wait. Before we start, I want to interview these teens first. Okay? Where are you going? Okay.
Pwede, anak, pwede.
Yes. You will just tell your name.